Hey everybody, Maria Willis from Card Bomb here for Tonic Studios, and the newest release of Stamp Club is now live. It's called Compassion Poppies, and it's a really beautiful set. I've got it on my desk behind me, so let's flip the camera around and go check it out.
Okay, so this month when you open up your Stamp Club envelope, you are going to find a 6x8 stamp set and a coordinating 6x8 die set inside. They come in this great packaging that has hole punches on the side so you can easily store it, and a notched out top so that it's easy to remove your product from the packaging. This large stamp set contains 18 total stamps, 12 image stamps, and 6 sentiments. It includes large poppy stamps that are easy to color, as well as some background leaves and many wonderful heartfelt sentiments. The die set is also a 6x8 set. It contains 17 total dies, with 12 of them matching the stamps. Some of them also stand on their own, and 3 frames that help you in your card making. Now that we've taken a quick look at the Compassion Poppies bundle, let's take a look at some of the cards that I've made using these products. This stamp and die bundle is perfect for making simple but beautiful one-layer cards with heartfelt sentiments added. This set is also wonderful for watercoloring and coloring with alcohol markers. It's great for creating frames, depth, dimension, and shaker cards. You can even stamp multiple times and create beautiful slimline cards. The dies in this bundle are very versatile and make putting a beautiful card together very easy for you to do. The Compassion Poppies bundle is available now in both the Tonic UK and USA shops. For more information or to head straight to the shop, click on the links in the description box below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.